ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN. Two VPN heavyweights enter the ring in 2025. But which one really delivers? On the left, ExpressVPN, lightning fast, effortless security. And on the right, ProtonVPN, privacy first, strong Swiss security. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category gets scored, from price to privacy, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here's everything we're going to cover: price and plans, speed and performance, security and privacy, streaming and unblocking, server network, features, customer support, and, device compatibility. Basically, all the stuff you actually care about. Let's kick things off with price and plans. So, ExpressVPN keeps it simple. You pay, you get everything. No messing around with tons of options. But here's the deal. No free plan. And I'll be honest, the starting price is a bit higher than most. On the flip side, ProtonVPN, they are super flexible. I mean, there's a totally free plan with unlimited bandwidth. Starting prices are lower, and you can pick exactly how you want to pay. Downside? Live chat isn't there for free users. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? For value, ProtonVPN's got the edge here. Moving on to speed and performance. ExpressVPN is just consistently fast, like top-tier speeds all the time. They've got this thing called the Lightway protocol, and it makes everything crazy quick, with especially low latency. Streaming, torrenting, you're golden. My only little gripe, they're a bit vague about their actual server numbers. ProtonVPN's no slouch either. The VPN accelerator actually gives it a nice boost, and WireGuard support is a nice touch for speed. The only catch? If you're hopping continents, it's a bit slower than Express. So for flat-out speed, ExpressVPN takes the win. All right, security and privacy. Both of these are absolute beasts. ExpressVPN keeps 0 logs. Audited, not just claimed. RAM-only servers mean nothing is ever stored long-term. Plus, you've got Lightway and OpenVPN for protocol choices. Only thing, some folks might wish it was based somewhere like Switzerland, but British Virgin Islands is solid. ProtonVPN, though, sweet Swiss jurisdiction, also independently audited, and you get things like stealth protocol for dodging censorship, even double VPN, they call it Secure Core, and port forwarding. Some of the fancier features are paid, but still, both of these are super locked down. Seriously, tie here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. ProtonVPN is actually run by the same team that created Proton Mail, the world's largest encrypted email service. So, if you're all about privacy, that's a huge plus. Let's talk streaming and unblocking. ExpressVPN is famous for this. Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, Amazon Prime, even devices that don't natively support VPNs thanks to smart DNS. Only real downside? In countries with super strict internet rules, you might have to reconnect now and then. ProtonVPN does a solid job too. It'll get you Netflix and BBC, their stealth protocol helps in censored places, and the free plan is honestly just for basic browsing. If you want to binge all your stuff, the paid plans are decent, but not quite as reliable across every service. So, streaming? ExpressVPN clearly wins. Next up, server network. ExpressVPN says it's got servers in 105 countries, which is wild, but if you want raw numbers, they're a bit mysterious about it. ProtonVPN, though, they drop the stats. Over 15,000 servers in 120 plus countries, and you know exactly where you stand. You also get secure core servers for that extra privacy layer, which is pretty cool. Some of the super secure servers are paid only, but overall, if global coverage and transparency matter to you, ProtonVPN is the clear winner here. Now, features. ExpressVPN's toolkit is awesome. Add and malware blocker, built-in password manager, they call it keys, parental controls, split tunneling. Only thing, no double VPN. ProtonVPN brings its own flavor. NetShield for ads, double VPN, yep, secure core, port forwarding, split tunneling, and some alternative routing tech for getting around blocks. No password manager though, which honestly feels like a bit of a miss in 2025. If I had to call it, both have top-tier features. It's a tie. Customer support. ExpressVPN doesn't mess around. You get 24/7 live chat, even if you're not paying the big bucks, and responses are fast. Knowledge base is massive too. ProtonVPN's got live chat, but only if you're on a paid tier. And yeah, their documentation is great, but if you want always available human support, ExpressVPN wins hands down. Finally, device compatibility and how many gadgets you can connect. ExpressVPN covers all the usual suspects: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, but also routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. You get up to 8, sometimes 10 devices, depending on your plan timing. ProtonVPN matches the device limit, but the key difference is no dedicated app for some smart TVs or consoles. So, if you're the person who wants their PlayStation covered, ExpressVPN's your best bet here. So, if we throw all the scores on a chart, you'll see it's pretty close across the board, but ProtonVPN edges ahead in pricing and server transparency, while ExpressVPN rules on speed, streaming, and support. The differences really show up based on what you need most. Alright, time for the real talk. If what you want is just no compromise speed, the easiest streaming possible, and customer support that's always there, ExpressVPN is my go-to. But if you're that privacy-first person, maybe you need the extra peace of mind, or you're just obsessed with open source and transparency. Honestly, ProtonVPN is unbeatable in that space. Either way, you're not picking a bad VPN. These are the top dogs in 2025. So before you hit that subscribe or buy button, really think about how you'll use your VPN. Both of these are industry leaders. If you crave speed, go for ExpressVPN. If you want fortress-level privacy, ProtonVPN is your pick. The power's in your hands.